Hello everyone, and welcome to the Crown Lounge. On today's episode, we're going to be making a Pisco Bramble. Pisco is a liquor that's been made in Peru and Chile since the 1500s by the Spaniards. It's made with fermented grapes, so it's considered a brandy. This one is about 41.3%, so a little 82.5 proof. So first off, we're going to go with 2 ounces of our Pisco. And it smells like, it almost smells like when you make moonshine, but out of grapes. Not saying I have, not saying I haven't. Next, we're going to go with half an ounce of lime juice. And then we're going to go with half an ounce of a simple syrup. This is homemade, of course. And, here we go. Half an ounce simple syrup. Now we're going to give this a good stir. Come back to that later. All right. Next, got to strain it. Next, we're going to strain this into our rocks glass that is full of ice already. The last ingredient we're going to add is some black raspberry Chambord, right? This is black raspberry liqueur. We want to layer it, right? The key is layering it. We're going to go just half an ounce. So we'll take our bar spoon and lay it on the top. And just layer it. Pretty, because it's a liqueur, it's kind of heavier, so it makes it sink nicely. There you have it. A Pisco Bramble. Cheers. The Pisco has a distinct taste to it. And I like it. I like it with these ingredients. This is a really, I know I say this a lot, but it's getting cliche now. This is a really good drink. It's really solid. Again, if you're trying to expand your drinks to entertain with, this is it's a pretty drink with the Chambord on the bottom. But anywho, this is good. Don't forget, it's probably even better at the bottom. Once you get it, you could stir it to mix it, but then it takes away the prettiness of the drink. So I don't want to do that. But maybe when I get off camera, I'm going to stir it up to get all the flavors mixed. But right now, I'm not going to do that because it's not for the camera. Anywho, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Until next time, cheers.